Hey, yo, Ryan Kruesi Originals. Gonna do a quick install video with this thing right here. Willis, you can sneak through in the back. You'll be all right. You look beautiful with the sunglasses on.
Thanks.
This is the our new derby cover. You guys know about it. You've seen it. It's got the Delrin slider. I want to do a little install video. Makes it easier. First thing you got to do is take this guy off. Comes with a premium style derby cover gasket. Pretty sure it comes with a gasket. Come with a gasket, Trent?
Yeah.
Comes with a gasket. Comes with hardware. These are stainless steel, grade 8 Allens with an AM stainless steel washer. I did say washer.
Washer?
Washer.
Washer. I'm gonna get washed up for dinner now.
Fuck you, grammar nerds. All right, I'm gonna take the top one. Actually, fluid looks nice. I'll start her in there ever so gingerly, then I'm going to put all of them in there ever so softly. I wouldn't use one of these unless you've been doing this for like 20 years and you know what it feels like. Suck down. Torque to 120 inch pounds. 120 inch pounds. That's inch pounds, not foot pounds. 120. Come on, you set. Star pattern, all that good shit. Blue Loctite on every one of those, not red, blue in this kind of situation. Then I'm gonna take these guys. These are the slider shit, a little bit of blue Loctite. Stick them in the hole, come up in close on this here, Steven. Loosely start one of them. They are tapered, so they're gonna center themselves. So see how they're both started and it's loose? I have to draw them down together. And this will center that line up nice and titties. Everything will look good. Then the most important part, clean it off with some shit. And that's it, KruesiOriginals.com. We'll put a link down in the description. Check it out. We got like 20 left, I think. We got blue, black, gold, and polished.